Hey now, this is Rhonda K. I trust that you're having an excellent day. We're going to create some content, one piece of content, all right? And then in another video, we will upload that content. So I'm in Canva. You can use it for free or paid version. That's your choice. They have plenty of videos that you can follow. This is just an example on how long it will take to create, okay? How long will it take to create an image? So I'm going to put, because we're busy professionals, right? You work full time. You want to make money online. Your time is precious. Everybody's time is precious. So let's just see how long it takes to create an image in Canva. If you're brand new to Canva, it may take a little bit longer. But once you get it, which once you do it once, you got it. You know what I'm saying? So let's click start. Let's go over here. I'm going to create a design. Create an Instagram post. They have a lot of templates that you can choose from. Oh, I like that one. You can use what they have, or you can use your own words. Keep going. Make that a little smaller. I like that. It's kind of hard to read to me. There we go. Keep going. All right. So that's all I want to say for now. Put a few more stars on here. Okay. Now I'm going to download it as a PNG, an image. And I could have named it while I was in Canva, but I didn't do it. So I'm going to rename it. Boom. And I am finished. How long did it take me? 1 minute. And it probably would have taken me a shorter amount of time if I wasn't talking. Okay? So as you're working, you can see that took about 1 minute or less. I encourage you to create as many images as possible for the week. Like I said, you're working. And then the next step is we will upload it. So we'll do that in the next video. All right? So if you want to learn more on how to make money online, how to create content, check the link in the video description and see if that's some information that will be a good use of your time. All right. Many blessings.